Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a sterile honey rinse because purity matters. Raw honey has antibacterial enzymes that can soothe tissues. Measure 1 tsp honey into 100 ml sterile saline and mix until uniform. Once mixed, draw solution into a sterile dropper bottle and cap. Label with date and time. Make sure you washed hands thoroughly and clean the eyelid margins first. Avoid using on open wounds. If you felt any stinging in a skin patch test, now you apply the honey rinse carefully so it contacts the ocular surface without contaminating the bottle. Tilt your head back, use one hand to pull the lower lid down creating a pocket, and administer 1 drop. Blink gently to spread the solution. Do this twice daily, morning and night, for up to 1 week. Keep the bottle sealed between uses and never touch the tip to your eye or fingers. If you notice increased redness or pain, stop immediately and reassess. Finish by monitoring outcomes and knowing when to escalate care. Honey can reduce mild irritation, but it is not a substitute for medical treatment. Keep a simple log of pain, vision clarity, and discharge times. If you see steady improvement after 72 hours, continue as directed. If symptoms worsen, vision blurs, or you develop severe redness or swelling, stop using honey and seek professional evaluation. As a troubleshooting step, flush the eye with sterile saline. Do not rub.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.